Welcome friends, today we are going to take a look on the ESR screen protector for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I switched to the black one, and as it is more scratchable as the normal one, I wanted to have a screen protector on it, and I chose this one, which has a specific reason I will show you later in this video. But the good thing about the screen protector is you can choose between the standard titanium color and the black titanium color, which is really important because, as you will see, in this screen protector you especially have a frame over the screen, so it also protects the edges, which are scratchable in our cases. As you see, it's not just a screen protector, the edges are covered. So in the package, I will just show you a little bit quick what we have in the package. Yeah, the normal package, and we have like the dust in removal stickers, all the things you need to put it on. The installation is really easy. There's an installation guide, and this is the screen protector. As you see, it has this black frame on it. I have the black one, but you can also took the normal color one. So I think we are going to take a look on how it looks on my wrist and on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This is how it looks. As you see, there is a slightly different color difference between the black titanium and the ESR screen protector, but it's really minor. You just see it in this lighting I have to show you, but in real life it's barely to see. It is noticeable if you look there, but you will not notice it on a daily basis. It's a really good screen protector because it also covers the edges. It's not just the screen, which is really important. And as you know, when we pay, you can just ditch on the edge and then it will scratch, because the black titanium one is unfortunately a little bit more scratchable. So I recommend you a screen protector where the edges are also covered. As you see, I already scratched it a little bit, and this is the side perspective, which keeps the Apple Watch Ultra 2 pretty slim, which is really important for me because I don't want to have a bulky screen protector, or that the view of the Apple Watch is not as good anymore. So as you see on the wrist, it looks really good. My conclusion, it's just like 15 euros. You can see my referral link on Amazon. I would recommend you to buy this. Protect your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Don't let it get scratched. It's for me the best screen protector, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.